Well, it's good to be back. Alright, yo, what's going on, guys, you little shitheads? I'm back, and, yeah, it's been like a year since I've posted, but, yeah, it's me, Blazing HD, the one and only, the original OG, but, yeah, we're gonna get into this video because, I don't really know what else to say. So yeah, I'm back. I don't know how much I'm gonna post, but yeah, I guess you'll see. So yeah. Alright, well, I fucked this shit up like 3 times now, so yeah, so you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go into the link in the description. You're gonna go ahead and grab this app called Cash App, as you can see right here. You're gonna go ahead and grab that, and once you do, you're going to click the link in the description. I have all the info and everything of what you're supposed to do in the description below. So go ahead and click that, go into the Cash App, and basically what it is just a money transfer app, just like a Visa or a normal credit card, but it's just online, and you can link your Bitcoins accounts and everything like that. But we're not focused on that right now. As you can see, it says invite friends to get $5, and you can go ahead and do that very easily, and your friend and you will both get $5, so that's quite nice. Of course, also you'll get another $5 from accepting my link in the description, so me and you, we also help out the channel, by the way. So yeah, but yeah, you'll get $3 from me, and you'll get $5 free from whoever you invite to this app. And as you can see here, you can have cash or Bitcoin, or you can add your bank card or anything like that. This is a legit app. Everybody uses this. Actually, very few selective people that I don't know that don't use this. And you can literally just type in however much money you want and pay to them a request. I'm gonna go click on that because it's gonna bring me to my phone contacts, and I don't need any of you guys knowing what that is. So yeah, either that, or you can go to your friend and you can see this little little name at the bottom here. I'll point it out on screen, and you just type in their code, and you can redeem their points if you haven't already. Yeah, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. You can pretty much make other accounts and just invite each other. I might show a method on that if you guys really want me to. I've made quite a bit with that, so this is just a spare account. I'm just using it as an example. So if you want that, let me know in the comments, and if I have enough comments or likes on this video, like this video if you want to see that, then I'll go ahead and do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I'll be posting more often. I don't know, we'll see. I'm me, I'm still the same person, I'm still retarded as fuck. So yeah, alright, see you guys later. Deuces.